Ben, Ava, lunch is ready. Ben, Ava?
Kids, I called you twice.
Wait, Mom, just one more level. I'm winning.
Mom, can you bring food here?
No, Ava, we eat at the table.
But I'll miss my show.
Ben, how long have you been playing?
I don't know, not long.
You started before lunchtime.
You didn't go outside today, again.
It's boring outside.
Yeah, nothing to do.
This is becoming a problem.
They don't even sit with us anymore.
Hello, we are here.
Who missed us?
Wow, so quiet here. Or is it just the screens talking?
Hey, Ben, did you grow or just your game score?
Still the same? Even worse now.
Kids, come say hello. Hi.
Hello.
They used to run and hug us.
Now they don't even look up, but... We should do something, but not by forcing.
Yes, we show them, not tell them.
Good morning, team. Today is outdoor day.
What? Why? Can I take my tablet?
No screens today, just us.
That sounds boring.
Yeah, what will we even do?
Just come for a short walk.
If you don't like it, we come back.
Fine, but not for long.
Okay, but I'm not running or anything.
Deal!
I think we have two very bored travelers.
We're not bored, just not interested.
Yeah, this is just walking.
Are you sure this is just a normal walk?
What do you mean?
This road has secret levels.
Secret levels?
Level 1. Find things that are moving. Moving, like what? But they should not make any sound.
Moving but no sound?
And you only have 10 seconds. Ready?
Ready!
All right, let's go.
That leaf! It's moving with the wind! Oh, that butterfly! It's flying!
The kids are really taking to all these outdoor activities.
How energetic and curious about nature.
It's wonderful to see.
The clouds, they're moving too! Wait, my shadow, it's moving when I walk.
Time's up. Level complete.
That was different. Yeah, I had to really look at it.
Sometimes the quiet things are the most interesting. Okay, what's next?
Good, because level 2 is not easy. From here, you must walk without making any sound.
No sound at all?
If we hear even one loud step, you lose.
That's easy.
Ben, that was you!
No, it wasn't.
Next level, only step on white tiles.
Okay, that one I can do.
Whoa, okay, maybe not that easy.
Wait, don't rush. I want to win.
Slow and steady.
I almost lost!
Okay, this is actually fun.
Yeah, it doesn't feel boring anymore.
Now, final level.
What is it?
Find something around you that people usually don't notice.
Like these little stones? And the flowers.
Don't notice? That small bird sitting there.
That little flower near the wall, it's so...
Good, now you're really seeing.
I feel so relieved Ben and Ava are finally off their screens.
Me too, now they're interested in outdoor activities.
It's a nice change. One last clue. Find something that makes you smile.
Let's go! I got it! To me! Yeah! Go for it!
Those kids, they look so happy. They're playing together. They're not using phones. They're noticing.
Yes, slowly, we didn't tell them they felt it.
They're really playing together.
Yeah.
Run faster! They're really good.
Yeah, but it's a bit scary.
They look busy.
Yeah, and they all know each other.
What if we do something wrong?
What if they don't let us play?
Yeah, they look like they have their own group.
Let's just watch it. It's okay.
Yeah, just for a minute.
Hey, ball!
Ben, give it back.
Yeah, I know.
A little stronger! Nice! That was good!
Thanks.
Really? Yeah, come play with us.
I don't know.
Go, I'll watch yet.
Hey, don't worry. We're just playing for fun.
I'm not very good.
I don't know if I can do this.
Go on, Ben. Just try. No pressure.
It's okay, we're not professionals.
Yeah, okay. Thanks.
Just run, kick, that's it.
Okay, I'll try.
Here, kick! Almost! Get it next time! Nice try, again!
Hey, why are you standing alone? I was just watching. You should join us. Don't you want to play?
I'm just watching Pi.
I don't know what to play.
We're skipping rope, come try!
I might mess it up.
We all do. That's how we learn.
Okay, just one time. You can do it, Ava. We're right here with you.
Okay, this is harder than video games, but more fun, right? Yeah, it is.
I can do it!
They were so scared. And now look at them.
They just needed one step.
Hey, what's your favorite sport?
I play video games. No, I mean real sport.
Like football, cricket, badminton, something like that.
I don't really play outside.
Not at all?
Mostly I just stay at home, play games, watch stuff.
That sounds kind of boring after some time.
No, it's fun. I mean, you can win levels and...
But you don't run or play with friends. My teacher says too much screen is bad for health. Yeah, and for eyes too. See him? He started wearing glasses last year. Yeah, my eyes started hurting. Then doctor said I need glasses.
I used to play games all day. No outdoor play.
Really?
And you make friends too.
Now I still play sometimes, but I come outside every day.
It actually feels better, like you don't feel tired all the time.
I don't really have friends to play like this.
You do now. Come on, don't think too much. Just play.
I'm not very good.
You'll learn. We all started like that. Hey, what do you do after school? I like to draw. Cool, you should join us.
I just go home, watch shows, and play games.
Every day?
Yeah, mostly. Don't you get bored? Sometimes, but I don't know what else to do.
We go to dance class every evening. And sometimes swimming on weekends.
Every day? Not every day, but often.
It's fun.
You should come with us. I don't know how to dance.
None of us knew at the start. I used to be so bad, I missed every step.
But now it's easier. And fun.
Look, I won this last week.
You won this? Yeah, it was my first competition.
I don't have anything like that.
That's okay. You can start anytime. It's not late. Even small things feel nice, like learning one step. I just never tried. Then try now.
Come, we'll help you.
No, that was your first try. Try again. Okay, but slowly. I knew it. I'm bad at this.
It's okay, Ava.
Yeah, you'll get it. They are talking. I can't tell you how relieved I feel right now.
And they're not looking at us. They're busy there.
That's a good sign.
Usually they keep checking where their parents are.
Look at Ben. He missed the ball, but he didn't stop.
Earlier he would just quit.
And Ava? She joined the girls on her own. She didn't even ask me. That's new. Why?
They're thinking, yeah, something is changing.
I haven't seen them laugh like this in a while. That's enough for today. I hope they remember this. They will. These moments stay.
Yeah, we shouldn't stretch it too much. Let them leave with a good feeling. They're very quiet now. Yeah, too quiet.
They didn't say anything after leaving. Maybe they're just tired.
Or maybe they didn't enjoy as much as we thought.
Did we push them too much?
We changed their routine suddenly.
But we didn't force them. They chose to play.
Still, kids don't always say what they feel.
They're not even asking for their phones.
That's unusual.
Or maybe that's the answer.
They look like they're thinking about something.
Yes, not every change is loud.
Do you think they're upset?
I don't think so, just quiet.
I was so excited to play this in the morning.
I don't feel like watching.
They didn't even start the game.
Something feels different.
They're probably still playing.
Yeah, we left early.
It was fun there.
More fun than I thought.
Look at them, so happy.
This is the right way to spend time.
Absolutely, family time is the best. Dinner is ready.
I'm coming!
That was fast. No 1 minute today?
No.
I'm actually hungry.
Me too. I didn't even feel like eating earlier.
That's because you were watching TV while eating.
Yeah, I didn't even taste the food.
So, no phones at dinner today?
No, it feels better like this.
It's not noisy. We can actually talk.
That's how dinner should be.
I miss this.
Tell me, what did you like the most today?
Playing, even though I wasn't good.
And talking to new friends.
Dad, can I join the football team at school?
Of course. That's great, Ben.
I want to learn properly, not just watch others.
Mom,
Yes, Ava?
I want to try dance or maybe swimming.
You can try both. We'll see what you like.
I think I want to do something like those girls.
That's my girl.
And my boy! I'm really proud of you both.
Tomorrow, we go outside again?
Yes, and I want to practice.
dance?
Yes, and you practice football.
Deal.
Sometimes children don't need rules. They don't need to be forced. They just need a moment to see, to feel that life is waiting beyond the screen.